I recently discovered this dish on a trip to India. Chicken gravy is cooked and then stuffed into a thin omelette. What makes this chicken patiala recipe incredible is that the gravy is cooked separately and then it's stuffed into an egg omelette. The gravy is then added to the pan and this is served wrapped in the omelette. Let's start with marinating the chicken. I have 400 grams of boneless chicken, and to this I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of haldi or turmeric, a half teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of Kasuri Methi. This is dried fenugreek, and it's best used crushing this between your fingers to enhance the flavor. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. I'm going to mix everything together and keep it aside. To make the gravy, heat up some oil and add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Add a cup of chopped onions. Allow the onion to sweat for a few minutes. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of finely minced chili, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of ginger julienne. Mix this well together. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste and just cook it so that you don't get that raw ginger and garlic flavor. Next, I'm going to add a half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi, a half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Saute this quickly, and before it burns, add in 1.5 cups of pureed tomatoes. Typically, this tends to splatter, so keep your lid handy. Now I'm going to add in the marinated chicken, and I'm going to cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Add in 1 cup of hot water. This is just tap water hot, and it helps the chicken get tender faster. Cover this now and cook it for 6 minutes, stirring in between. Add salt to taste. To enrich this gravy, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cashew paste. Cashew paste is very simply made by soaking raw cashews in hot water and then grinding it. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. I'm going to sprinkle some garam masala on the top, and I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cream. Mix this well together. I'm now going to separate and reserve the gravy, and I'm going to continue drying up the chicken and the rest of the gravy. I'm going to take a bit more gravy out now and allow this chicken to dry up. Add another pinch of garam masala and another pinch of Kasuri Methi. Keep this chicken aside. This chicken is enough to make 2 omelettes. For each omelette, you will need 2 eggs, so that's 4 eggs in total. Add salt and pepper to your eggs, and I'm going to beat this together. Oil your pan and pour in the beaten egg. Allow the egg to set, and then I'm going to add in half of the chicken mixture in the middle, and I'm going to fold the omelette in on both sides. Add some of the liquid gravy to flavor the omelette and serve it as is. Repeat this with the other eggs and enjoy.